thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B. Today it's all about quick abs. We're in and we are out. We've got 5 moves. We're going to do them each for a minute each. So let's get straight into it. What I would do is actually, I would do this video 2 or 3 times, but that's how I roll. So first exercise is single leg stretch. Let's get ready. So pull the core in. We're going to go in 5 seconds. Lift the left leg tabletop, right leg tabletop, and into single leg stretch. Pull one leg in, extend the other, point the toe. Keep this nice and slow. We've got about 50 seconds, so we're going to do each exercise for 50 seconds, 5 minutes, and then we're done. Keep this slow, don't use momentum. Make sure you're looking towards your legs, not the ceiling. We're going to have 10 seconds break in between. We've got 20 seconds left. Keep breathing. Pulling that core in. We've got 5 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. We've got single leg drops next. So we've got a 5 seconds countdown. Belly in, straighten the legs. Single leg drop. Only one leg moving at a time. To modify, you'd be here, toe taps. Keep going, pointing those toes. So you should feel your thighs working as well now. Keep pulling the core in. Keep going. Keep breathing. You're nearly there. This is a long one. This is a long one, guys. Keep pulling the abs in. This is great for those lower abs. In 3, 2, 1, done. Come up. Good. We're going for start abs. 5 seconds. Hands behind you. Going to open, lean back and in. Open, lean back and in. Make sure it's the core, not the hip flexors. Keep breathing. Keep pulling the belly in. We've got obliques next. Keep going, not long. 5 seconds. 2, 1, done. Good. So we've got obliques next. So this is the move. Lifting the shoulders, feet down to modify. Let's go. In 5, 4, hands behind the head. Remember, keep the elbows open. Let's get in position. And go. Keep it nice and slow. Lifting that shoulder, not just the elbow. And we've only got one more exercise and we are done, guys. We are done. Keep the other elbows open. Don't let the hips move, so keep those hips nice and still. Keep breathing. Ten seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Nice. Roll yourself up. Come over. So we've got hip dips. We're going to go onto the forearms, forearm plank, hip dips. Let's get ready. Elbows under your shoulders. We're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hip dips side to side, side to side. Pulling the core in. body strength as well. Keep breathing. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, and done. Good. 5 exercises, 5 minutes. Quickie abs in and out. Go through it 2 or 3, maybe 1, 2 more times, so 3 times in total would be perfect. Then you've got 15 minutes of abs done for your day. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe, hit the like button, comment, let me know how you're doing. Just in general, let me know how you're doing. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you soon.